Welcome to Oryx Learning. Today's lesson is on Unit 9, Volume and Surface Area, Lesson 5, Surface Area of Cones. How does the volume of a three-dimensional figure differ from its surface area? If you'd like to find out the answer to this question, please follow along and we'll revisit it at the end. The lateral area, LA, of a cone is pi times the radius r times the slant height, L. So our formula is LA equals pi r L. The surface area, SA, of a cone with slant height, L, and radius r is the lateral area plus the area of the base. So the surface area is LA plus pi r squared, or pi rl plus pi r squared. And keep in mind, when substituting in values for the surface area, the L represents the slant height, not the actual height. Which solid is pictured by the net below? A cone has a circular base and a single vertex, as shown in the net. So the answer here is the net is a cone. Identify the height of the cone pictured below. We can see that the 11 represents the diameter, the 15 meters represents the slant height, so the actual height of the cone would be the 13 meters. So 13 meters is our answer. Calculate the lateral area of the cone shown below. Round your answer to the nearest 10th square millimeter. So the lateral area of a cone is pi rl, where L is the slant height. As we can see from the diagram, r, the radius, is 5, and the slant height L is 13. Substituting in the values, we get LA equals pi times 5 times 13, which simplifies to 65 pi. Multiplying 65 times pi and rounding to the nearest tenth, we get the lateral area is approximately 204.2 millimeters squared. Calculate the surface area of the cone shown below. Round to the nearest 10th square centimeter. So our surface area formula is again SA equals pi rl plus pi r squared. In the diagram, we can see that the radius is 6 and the slant height, the L, is 6.2. Substituting the values into the formula, we get SA equals pi times 6 times 6.2 plus pi times 6 squared. This simplifies to 37.2 pi plus 36 pi, which simplifies further to 73.2 pi. Multiplying 73.2 by pi, we get a surface area that's 229.96458. In the directions, it says round to the nearest 10th square centimeter, so the surface area is approximately 230.0 centimeters squared. Now back to our original question. How does the volume of a three-dimensional figure differ from its surface area? Volume is the amount a container holds. Surface area is the sum of the areas of the surfaces of the figure. So remember, the lateral area, LA, of a cone is pi times the radius r times the slant height, L, or LA equals pi rl. The surface area, SA, of a cone with slant height L and radius r is the lateral area plus the area of the base. So the surface area is the lateral area plus pi r squared, or the surface area is pi rl plus pi r squared. that is our lesson for today. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed it.